Hey, what's up? I'm Sarah, and today I'm doing an unboxing slash review of the products that I received in the Daily Goodie box for the month of June. If you'd like to know a little bit more about Daily Goodie box, you can read the description box. It has a link to their website, to their Facebook, as well as for the products. The first thing, which I saw and I was actually really excited about because I've never heard of Ayurvedic toothpaste, but I've heard of all other Ayurvedic herbal medicine. So this is based on 23 herbal extracts, which are supposed to make your teeth fresh without having to use the terrible ingredients that you normally see in traditional toothpaste. And I've tried this out. The color is kind of like a clay, and it's like normal consistency toothpaste. And my breath was fresh in the morning. It didn't smell. And this features neem and pilu extracts exclusively. And supposedly this is a concentrated formula, so you should be able to use one bottle to last the same as 3 regular toothpastes. So this was fresh and minty, and this one's the foam-free version, but they do have other versions as well. Soap sample. This is a body wash by the Grandpa Soap & Co. I also got one of their soap bars, which smells really nice, and this one definitely smells like apple. It's apple cider vinegar scented, and it has natural ingredients, and it's a cute portable thing. The only thing is I can't twist this off. Oh gosh, okay, that just squirted. That was not supposed to happen. Smart Press Juice Proteini. So this is a vegan vanilla protein drink. It's organic, it has 16 grams of protein, and it's certified vegan. And the features of this are protein such as pea protein, brown rice protein, hemp protein, and cranberry protein, and then it has a probiotic blend. I'm interested to try this because a lot of times vanilla can be a hit or a miss. So I'm going to try this in some almond milk. They recommend coconut milk, and there's also water. This is one of the products that I tried. Oh, wow, just dropping everything. So this is a appetite suppressant dates and hazelnut bar. So the ingredients are just dates. Where is it? There's dates, raisins, sunflower seeds, hazelnuts, whole sesame seeds, and then the plant is Hoodia parviflora, and that's supposed to be the appetite suppressant. I ate this in like little bites at a time, so I can't speak for the appetite suppressing effect, but it does taste delicious, and the addition of sunflower seeds is actually a really good idea because it tastes kind of crunchy without the brown rice crisps that a lot of granola bars and snack bars usually use. So this tastes really good, and if you like hazelnut, this definitely has plenty of hazelnut flavor. So got 2 packets of Prince & Spring's Fruitmojis. So these are super cute. These are little gummies shaped like emojis, and not really excited to eat the poop one. But it's made with fruit juice and no artificial flavors or coloring. Of course, the first ingredient is corn syrup, so that's not preferable, but it is a healthier gummy snack. So I love the packaging on this one. This is Treeline coffee roasters. I'm kind of still confused on what this is, but this is supposedly a ready-to-brew single-serve pour-over coffee for wherever you are. So you're supposed to remove the top of the filter, which I think has a little like cut edge right there, and then has hangers which you secure on each side of the cup. You pour boiling water over it, and then you just let it sit, and then apparently you have coffee. So relatively convenient because you don't need a CURAD machine. So in that sense, it's pretty convenient. And I really like the kind of rustic, I don't know if that's the right word, the packaging on here. This is a black seaweed face mask. This is for pore detox. You can use it for all skin types. Oh, the brand is Seventh Heaven. And the back of the packaging is there's a lot going on here, so it's kind of hard to look at. It's PETA certified, cruelty-free, Vegetarian Society approved, so lots of certifications. And it's a single use. So the ingredients aren't so bad compared to other things, but it does just have like a mysterious fragrance. And the last item here is CURAD Soothe and Cool Burn Bandage. So this is a waterproof bandage that you put on to cool blisters and burns, and you can use it for up to 5 days. It's a waterproof barrier and it absorbs. All right, so that was everything inside of the box. I absolutely love that Daily Goodie box includes natural products, and everything in this specific box was more natural ingredient based, which I really appreciate because I would not have heard about these brands without Daily Goodie box. So yeah, like I said, not ingredients, the links are in the description box in case you want to check out these brands, and I will be updating on Instagram about how I like the products. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and maybe I'll talk to you in another video. Bye!